Georgia until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was centered near Waleska, Oregon, 2 miles northwest of Canton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, Waleska, Amicalola Falls State Park, Sequoia Lake, Lake Arrowhead, Marble Hill, Fawcett Lake, Salicoa Valley, Lake Tamarack, Hollis Latham Reservoir, Tate and Revis Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.